more am I, Brian.
More am I.
Could you tell us a little bit about what a Celtic language is?
Well, yes, it's the Celtic languages at the present time. There's two groups of them essentially: P Celtic and Q Celtic. And the P Celtic ones are made up of Welsh, Breton, and Cornish, and Q Celtic, Manx, Irish, and Scottish Gaelic. And they're really the descendants of very ancient languages that were spoken over large parts of Western Europe, possibly into Asia Minor. And the distinction with the P and Q thing is that if you get a word in Welsh, for instance, like son, S-O-N, it's mab or map, and there's a P sound at the end, whereas in Gaelic it's mac, and you get this K sound, hence the P's and Q's thing. But these are the descendants, as I said, of languages that were very, very widely spoken.
And would someone who speaks a P language be able to understand someone who spoke a Q language then?
Not really, just a few words. For instance, in Welsh, the Welsh for a wave in the sea is ton. It's exactly the same in Gaelic. But if you get into studying these languages, you see that the whole structure is very familiar. So if you learn, for instance, Manx, and then you go to something like Cornish or Welsh, it's not completely foreign because the structure is quite similar.
Yeah. Good am I.
Shade of A.
Well, more am I, Brian. Not a inch down beg McCown, the Chenach and Kelchach.
Well, like a tre ton, the Chenach and Tafosa Marn, to Shadjow, tree or unchow is tree or a chow. Stad grey, P Celtish, which the Chenach and Gorish, Britannish, Gen Breton, Bretonish, as Cornish. As Q Celtish, which the Chenach and Gildach, the Chenach and Gaelach, the Shanagay Yeranish, Gilgalbanach, as in Gilvananach, as Mito, Goyle, Fogel, Gorish, Map, na Mab, ons Bretonish, the Shen Unrod is Mac, ons na Chenach and Gildach, as then, and she and Gorish P, na B, Chit de she and Gorish K, ons Chit de ons Chin, ons Bretonish, P as B, Chit de K, ons the Chenach and Gildach, a Shen and Sculta Edera.
That's not pike a bit, well, third table the Lawton skill. Not a tiggle Bretonish or Chenya Mashur or Chenya P.
Hanad the Firinach, Talable the Higgle Foglan as Pishin J. Ten Gramadus, Gorish Italia. Maar some player ten Fogel, some Fogel Ton on Gil Vananach, as Yeranish is Gil Galbanach, an unrud on Snitchinik and Ella, the Jirich and unrud on Spretnish. Ton and the Mara and unrud.
Good am I, wouldn't you?
Shade of A.